Okay, well, the next thing we need to do is we need to learn how to import, download and import a DNA sequence into DNA Star. So we're going to go back to the Haiku page. We're going to click the BlueScript KS Plus tab, and it's going to download, at least on the Mac, a copy of the sequence and open it with TextEdit. Now, TextEdit is kind of annoying. You can't use Save As, so we're going to use Move To. And now we're going to have to create a folder. Notice I picked Other. We'll get a better window. We're going to have to create a folder where we're going to save all of our sequences. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my HMB folder, and I'm just going to create a folder right there that says something like DNA sequences, because I'm going to need to be able to find where I put this when I'm done. So I'm going to move it there. So now we've got the sequence there. I'm going to go back to DNA Star, back to the Seq Builder app. Now that I'm in Seq Builder, I'm going to click Open, and then I'm going to navigate and find that sequence. So there's chemistry. Nope, don't want chemistry. We want HMB. We're going to DNA sequences, and now we're going to open the sequence. Now that we've got the sequence in there, I actually want to put the filter, the enzyme filter on that we created earlier. So I'm going to go to Enzymes Displayed, Filter by Selections, go all the way down, find HMB in stock. So then I'm going to change it to the view. There's a whole bunch of different ways you can view it. Linear Minimap is probably the best. Now you notice you can't see all the enzymes. That's because they're kind of hidden. So I'm going to open the display up a bit so I can see all of them. Those are all 18. The lines indicate whether they cut or don't cut and where in the sequence. You can see how often they cut and enzyme name. At this point, I'm going to print it so I can have my own little copy. And the last thing I'm going to do is I want to change the display to a circular map. You can just say, yeah, fine, just go ahead. And then I'm also going to take a quick look, and you notice that all those enzymes except for PVU2 are all right next to each other. That's where the multiple cloning sequence is, or the polycloning sequence. I'm going to print that. All right, and that will be all we're going to do with this segment.